Hello, this is Laura Burt-Nicholas. I am the physical education librarian at COD, and I am creating this set of 3 videos to talk to all of you about how to complete work for your sports psychology class. The first thing you'll notice is that we're starting out on the COD library homepage, library.cod.edu. What I am going to do now is head to our class research guide. So I'm going to head to research. Click Research Guides, scroll down to Physical Education, and then on the General Physical Education class guide, I'm going to click on Class Guides right over here on the right, and then PHYS 2240. And as you can see, this brings you specifically to the guide that I have put together for your class. At the top of this guide, you can see there are a couple of notes about things you can use the library for, ways to get help right now. As we scroll down as well, you can see that the very first box on the page talks about different topics that you might be able to use to pull together your paper. And I've got a couple of suggestions for you. As you think about what you might do in order to be able, what kind of scholarly paper you want to be reading, one of the ways to think of topics is to look at your textbook and see what topics do they have. Are there interesting things that your textbook has mentioned that you might follow up on a little bit? Another place that you can look is actually Google News. And this is one of the places I recommend students go not to find their articles, because these articles won't count, they're newspaper articles. But if you wanted to look at sports psychology, you can start to see, as you look down the screen, there are newspaper articles that might be interesting to you. So, for example, talking about restrictions in the time of COVID and what impact those have on athletes, or different strategies that a sports psychologist used to hone her mental game, or even maintaining emotional health during the pandemic, as you also want to focus on your sport. So once again, looking through this list of newspaper articles might give you a topic that might work really well for class that you want to explore a little bit, and this can be one way of going from, I have no idea what to do, when it comes to finding a topic in sports psychology and thinking about something that might be interesting. So your textbook, Google News, maybe also looking through strategies you yourself may have used if you're an athlete, mental strategies to perform at peak or to avert burnout, or anything like that. I'm going to stop this video now that we've talked a little bit about picking topics and getting to the class guide. In our next video, we're going to talk about how to search psych articles in order to find something that should work for class. Thank you.